Matt Serafice here, your Gainesville realtor. And today I'm here in Wellington Place to show you this 3-2, which was built in 2005. It's got almost 1,400 square feet. One of the reasons I love this part of town is you got the interstate right there. You've got Publix right there. And then if you want to go to either Jonesville or Alachua, you can take 39th to the back way to 241. So it's a great location. You got Meadowbrook Elementary School, which is this entire neighborhood is right behind that. So let's go in and check it out. By the way, my name is Matt Serafice. I'm your Gainesville, Florida realtor with eXp Realty. If you'd like to know anything more about the market here or a specific community or anything about moving to Gainesville or your property here in Gainesville, feel free to contact me. You can book an appointment with me below, or you can call or text me or email me anytime. See, the roof was redone here in 2022. And we got a corner lot. See 114th Terrace and 31st Lane. Come in the front entryway here, you see it's wide open. Got the gas fireplace. Kitchen right here, granite countertops. Newer appliances. Got laminate flooring throughout the main living space. 2 bedrooms on this end of the house, carpeted. Good children's rooms. Traditional bathroom space. Very generous size laundry room with a utility sink and cabinets and shelves. 2-car garage space. The hot water heater is also 2 years old. You can see that is run by gas. Split bedroom plan, so the master is on this end of the house. Also have an egress door back here. A generous size walk-in closet. There's an attic access in there. And as we come into the master bath, they fitted this with a tub shower situation. Not sure what you call that, but that's what it is. One of the features I really like about these French doors is these screen doors that you can pull out and they retract automatically. You go out the back, got a nice deck back here. These trees provide some degree of shade and privacy, as the next neighbor is pretty close. See out over the neighborhood. We are at the top of the hill here, so. Also, you can see this decking material is a synthetic press engineered material, so it's not going to rot. And this is the side yard. One other feature here is a zoned irrigation system. It's out here in the garage. You have to learn how to use it.